Hey friends, I hope you are all staying safe and keeping busy. The library misses you a whole lot. Today I wanted to show you how to make one of my favorite easy and fun crafts. We're going to do some braided bookmarks that look like that. It's pretty cool. The only things that you need are 3 strips of paper. I like to do a 1/4 inch wide and then 11 inches long, which is the size of a normal piece of paper. I'm going to use color paper because I have it. However, you can use white printer paper and color it in, or if you have old magazines, you can make strips out of that. We also need a glue stick and a pair of scissors. To make the strips, you can just use a ruler and a pencil and cut them out from there. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use 3 colors that look super different. We are going to start by taking one of our strips of paper. We're going to put glue on the end. We're only going to do about 1/2 inch there to 1 inch. And then we're going to take our second strip of paper and we're going to make an upside down L. So we want to make that right corner here. I'm going to make it as straight as I possibly can so that it looks something like that. And then we are going to take our third strip of paper. In this case it's the pink. And we're going to put it right underneath and in line and have it go against that orange piece. And so what you have now should look something kind of like this. And now we're going to start making the braid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my orange strip here, it's the one on top, and I'm going to keep my finger up here in the corner holding it down. And what I want to do is I want to fold it over the pink and then have it go in line with my blue. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to crease it. So right there in that corner there. And so as you can see, I now have 1 and 2 on this side. We're going to flip it and we're going to do the exact same thing. So we're going to take the one that's on top, in this case it's the blue. And we're going to keep our finger in that corner. We are going to fold it over and down and in line with our pink. And so I want to go pretty slow because I want to make sure that my folds are as straight as possible. And so I'm going to keep my finger up there to make sure that it's all set. And we're just going to continue this down until we reach the end of the strip. And these are great. I make them for presents for people. They liven up whatever I'm reading, make it colorful. You can hear the 3D printer. I don't know if you can hear it on the video, but it's going round the clock pretty much. So we are staying busy here at the library. And so I'll probably end right about there. And now I need my scissors and my glue. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue down my pieces. So from the underside, we're going to do it here. So I flipped it over. We're going to glue it there. And now I'm going to cut and trim it down. And we have a finished braided bookmark, which is pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching. Keep reading, stay safe. Maybe make some of these braided bookmarks for your family members, brighten their day, okay? Bye-bye.